it.
Okay.
One's called the blue thunder from Sammieswheels.
Yeah, what color are
Yeah, it is.
Wow, are you ready?
Let's open it.
Okay. Yes, sir. Green ghost. Let's see. Let's show the kids. I see a little green down there. Okay.
Place.
Wow. What are we doing today, Sammy? Where are they at? Where are they at? Can you see them? Oh, what? What's that? Let me see.
Blue thunder.
Oh, wow.
This is blue thunders.
Let me see. Let me see. Show 'em. Oh, wow.
I want to race
Let's go wash them. Let's go wash them in the restroom. Let's go.
I think downstairs.
Downstairs, right here. Go. Oh, we gotta get the chair. Where's the chair? Oh, wow. What do we have here?
2 sexy blue thunders.
2 blue thunders? Wow. This is
What
part...
are we doing today?
What are we doing today, Sammy?
I want a color changer.
Oh, that's a color changer?
What? Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Let me see. Oh, wow. You don't want to tell Stella if she wants to see?
I want a hot water.
Oh, you want a hot water? This one changes with hot water?
Yeah.
Let's see. Before. Hot water on. Careful.
Hot water.
What color does it change to?
Hot water.
Huh?
Hot water. I need hot water.
Yeah, it's kind of cold right now.
I need 2 color changes with this blue water. Will that change?
Is it turning lighter?
No.
What do you think?
What? I think it's hot.
Okay, it's getting warm, the water. What do you think is gonna happen?
It's gonna happen.
What?
Change your dirty.
Oh, yeah?
It's dirty. It's kind of happened.
Alright, let's see. It's already hot. Did it change color already? Careful. Ow. What changed color? Do you just see something? Maybe the top?
Maybe. What?
Wow, so cool.
I need 2 color changer like this.
Yeah.
We can open it.
Alright. This is gonna be Blue Thunder number 1.
Blue thunder. The next blue thunder extra colors. I want to crack it open this.
Okay, here we go. This is gonna be part 2 of the mystery motors. Yesterday we opened up a grave digger and a Blue Thunder, huh, Sammy?
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah, well, you...
Wow.
What? What is this?
What color is it?
A color blue.
Oh, wow. Wow. Oh.
A color green.
Wow.
What? What it's doing?
Wow, it looks like a red flame. And today we are gonna open up 2 Blue Thunders.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right.
It says 2. 2. Ready? I'm gonna crack it open like this. Oh, it's not open.
Oh, it's not open. Poke it. Oh, there we go. That's right.
Hello, Blue Thunder.
Good solving problem skills,
Hello,
my
Blue
guy.
Thunder.
Hi, Blue Thunder. How you been?
I can't shower, baby.
Shoo.
Do you see them?
Let me see. Oh, I see some blue. Oh, what?
I see blue in his chassis.
In his chassis?
Oh, like right here.
Oh, yeah, right there too.
Right there
And
too.
the skeleton.
It's like a skeleton.
Wow.
Color changer is.
Wait a second.
I'm gonna shower too much.
All right. You ready?
I want to be hot.
Oh, What color? Is it the same one you got last time or is it different?
It's different.
It's different? How different?
Look it. It comes with blue butter.
So cool. It looks like it has blue letters. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Oh, here, let me fix it. Sorry about that. Careful, big guy. Sorry.
It's hot. It's not hot.
It's not hot no more?
Oh.
Wow, let me see.
It comes with the 100 big Ranian.
Wow, that one's cool. That's not Grave Digger. It's Blue Thunder.
Blue butter. Welcome back to my shower.
Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe, kids.
No, I want to race them.
Oh, you're gonna race some?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is his name. I want to race these. I want to race the motors. I want to race the another motors.
Wow, here we got another Blue Thunder with like red lightning and blue letters, huh?
Hey, let me see.
Wow, number 25.
Hey, look it.
Number 25.
Mom.
Wow, this is the one we got the other day, huh? This is number 11. And then this is gonna be number 25, right? 25.
Yeah. And this is gonna be the next Blue Thunder.
Wow, next Blue Thunder. Which one do you think we're gonna get? You think we're gonna get a yellow one?
Yeah, SpongeBob Squares.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hey, I want to get the mammals.
All right.
The SpongeBob Scorpions. We're gonna find it in the store.
Hopefully. Poke it.
I want to.
Give it a little poke. Oh no, it's too strong. Alright, you need help?
No.
You got it? Alright.
I want to step it with my feet.
Let me see. Hi, Stella.
Hi, Stella. Look.
Say hi, Stella.
Hey, Stella. Look it. It's dirty.
Say hi, we're doing mystery mutters.
We have two mystery butters.
Yes,
Look
sir.
It's dirty. I need to wash it.
Wow. What
Crack
are you
it
eating,
open.
Stella?
Hmm?
What are you eating?
Puffs.
Wow.
Puffs. I'm gonna break it open.
It's too strong?
Here, let me use the nails. Oh. Oh, wow. His nails. No nails. He's.
I got it. Let me see.
I got something.
Oh, you got something?
Here.
All right. There we go. Hey, good problem solving skills right
There.
there. Ooh,
Stella.
say thank you, Stella.
Thank you, Stella.
Woohoo.
Are we going to race them, Stella?
Yeah, we're
Will
gonna
you?
race some.
I think.
I have no homework today.
You don't have homework today? Wow, it's Friday.
Look, it's dirty.
How does it feel?
It feels dirty.
Rough?
Rough.
Like a little sandpaper?
Yeah, like a little sandpaper.
Wow.
We open these.
You ready?
Look at.
Oh, wow. What color is it?
The colors. Maybe it's. I see Jello right there.
You see yellow?
You know,
Oh, wow.
it's 100 cent Blue Thunder.
Wow, I haven't seen that one. You seen that one before?
Yeah. Look at what it comes Jello.
Wow.
It comes Jello.
I like that one.
Yeah, you like that one? Because it's yellow?
Yeah.
Wow, look, Sammy got two blue ones and now he got a yellow one. Finally, huh, Sammy?
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's dirty one here.
Wow.
Look, it's dirty right here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
It comes with the 7 Blue Thunder.
Wow.
No, in the toilet.
I got it.
Look it.
Wow.
I lost a tooth yesterday.
You lost a tooth? Wow. Did the tooth fairy came already?
Look at these.
Oh yeah?
I need to raise them the Santa Claus monster truck.
Wow, Sammy's monster trucks.
And look at
Mystery Mutters.
Mystery Mutters.
Oh, you want a chip, Sammy? I'm good, thank you. Wow, this is gonna be number 15, Blue Thunder. 15. Wow.
Did you get number 1?
No, no number 1. Wow.
I want to race these.
You wanna race them? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and race them right now.
Here, this is yours. Private.
When we're gonna race.
These cars.
Alright, here we go. Where's the gravedigger?
The grave diggers. Right.
Oh, it's right here. The Mutter gravedigger. This one is gonna be number 2, almost number 1,
Hey.
but number 2. These are the 4 Mutters we have so far, huh, Sammy?
Yeah, the wood.
Wow.
Yeah.
You ready to race, Sammy?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's go down.
Sammy, let's record. Let's record. We get a hallway on track. Say hi to the camera.
What's up, kids?
What's up, kids?
What's up, kids?
What happened?
So what cars are... Sammy, what cars are we gonna use?
The monster trucks.
Wow.
Gravedigger versus Blue Butter.
Uh-huh.
Blue Thunder.
No, I mean Gravedigger. Santa versus Gravedigger. Ready? Oh, damn, man, missed them off. 3, 2, 1, go! Whee! Go!
So all this is gonna go down and we'll fly up to him. Back. He just went to get some scissors. I'm gonna sit down right here. With my little eggy goodie. Wait, I wanna show Sammy's little, oh, this little picture is so cute. You ready?
Backwards, not like that.
Like this? Oh, not like that, huh? Oh, wow, good eye.
Not like that. It's just not like that.
Yeah, not like that, like this.
Oh yeah,
And put it backwards.
To go up, yeah.
to go up.
All right.
One time Sammy had it like that.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Santa first Gravedigger.
You ready?
Set. Go. Go. Oh, Gravedigger won and Santa won. They jumped.
Oh, they all jump so high, huh? All right, do it one more time.
Let's go do it one more time. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, the lava right here?
Lava! Oh
No, no lava.
Right there. No lava? Water?
Only water, yeah.
Okay.
Water and
Right here, because then they're going to hit the box. Right there, it needs to be a little bit away. Ready?
that's the water. And this is lava. Set. Oh no! Oh. Santa in the water!
the lava.
No, Santa in the water.
Oh, in the water.
I think he means like the floor is the lava and that's the water.
Oh, the floor is lava and that's the water?
Oh, look it! Great Circus on lava.
Ah.
Oh no! Mira.
Help me!
Oh.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa, for saving me. These are 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he do like wheelings. He do like wheelies, and he's like, ah!
Oh no! Help me!
I don't know. This car's gonna jump. Oh, he broke.
Who broke it?
Came off.
Uh-oh. He crashed. This one is gonna be fast. Oh, he jumped. What did he do?